Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today is my first time doing a video blog, so I'm still not sure on what to do, but still, let's do this! Fighting! So in today's video, we will be making a DIY paper flower wall hanging decor. So this design is very easy to make, simple and yet very artistic, so it can bring life to your rooms. So these are the materials needed. So the first step is to get two construction paper or art papers, and then the other construction paper or art paper, you must divide it into 4 equal parts in a lengthwise orientation like this. And then the second art paper or construction paper will be divided into 4 equal parts but in an crosswise orientation, and then cut those pieces out. And once you're done cutting all the pieces out, fold them into tiny strips of paper. Fold them like this. So once you've done gluing all the sides of the art paper, the construction paper together, the next step is to form it into a diamond shape, so it will then look like this. So this will be the design of our, so this will be the base of our decoration. And now let us glue all these pieces together. So once you've glued all the pieces all together, this will be the outcome. And now, for it to become lively and add some more life or color, we'll make and put on some flowers, and those flowers will be cut out. So now let us set aside the base of our wall decor, and let us now get 2 construction papers for our flowers. You need two different colors of construction or art paper for the 2 different flowers. So the first flower will be very simple. You need to make a triangle and then cut it out. And then fold it. This one, and then fold it, and then fold it again so that it will look like this. So it will be this small. Now you must, so the next step is to cut out your preferred flower shape. So I prefer a round petaled flower. So it will look like this. So we need to cut out maybe 10 to 15 more flowers like this. 12 round-shaped petaled flower. So it needs only 12. So now let us proceed to the next kind of flower that we will make. So for the next kind of flower, you need to divide the construction or the art paper into 4 equal parts, like this, in a crosswise orientation. And then once you've folded it out, cut all the 4 divisions. Awesome. Then once you finish cutting it all out, fold the paper again and divide it in 2 equal parts. Then you need to cut out small tiny strips. So then curl it, no, turn it like this. Turn it around like this. Should look like this. And then wait for it to dry. So once you're done gluing the flower, we will then open the petals, and it will look like this. Look like this. So let's do this to all of the flowers so that it will look. So now we have finished cutting all these flowers. Let us now glue them to the base. Let's glue this round-shaped petal on the outer layer of the base. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog.